students. Today we will discuss about methods of integration, and one of the method is integration by part. My previous video I am taken how to prove integration by part as well as some question depending upon that. In this lecture we will discuss about corollary or sub part of integration by part method, and the sub part is like this: integration of e raised to x into bracket f of x plus f dash x into dx is equal to e raised to x f of x plus some constant of integration c. How to get proof of this result? Important result. Proof is like this. Consider integration of e raised to x f of x plus f dash x into dx is equal to integration of e raised to x f of x dx plus integration of e raised to x f dash x dx. Give this equation number 1. Try to understand what can I do in this case. I am opening this bracket, means multiply e raised to x inside the bracket and take separate integration. Okay, then only consider first part. Only consider this first part. Take integration of e raised to x f of x dx is nothing but using integration by part rule and simplify this integration. How to select first and second function? By using order of letters LIATE. This is algebraic function, first function or u function, and exponential is the second function. As per integration by part rule, first function keep as it is, integration of second function into dx minus integration of derivative of first function integration of second function into dx. Again simplify, you will get f of x e raised to x minus integration of f dash x into e raised to x dx. Put this value in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 become integration of e raised to x into bracket f of x plus f dash x into dx is equal to, replace value of integration of e raised to x f of x dx. What is the value? F of x into e raised to x minus integration of f dash x e raised to x dx plus the remaining part you can write as it is, integration of e raised to x f dash x dx. Okay, this is the remaining part as it is. Then cancel this minus and plus term. Therefore, this result is also called as cancellation law. Means you will get the result, important result is like this: integration of e raised to x f of x plus f dash x into dx is equal to e raised to x f of x plus some constant of integration c. Okay, you know multiplication commutative, that's why I written e raised to x first. This is one of the important results or corollary of integration by part. Take some question upon this important result. One of the question is like this. First I am erasing all this part. Evaluate integration of e raised to x bracket sin x plus cos x dx. First of all, let I equal to integration of e raised to x into bracket sin x plus cos x into dx. Here f of x is nothing but sin x and f dash x is nothing but what is derivative of sin x? Cos x. Therefore, by important result, integration of e raised to x f of x plus f dash x into dx is nothing but e raised to x f of x plus some constant notation c. As per this result, what is your answer? I equal to e raised to x as it is in bracket f of x plus f dash x. Therefore, you will get the answer e raised to x f of x plus some constant notation c. In this case, f of x is nothing but sin. Isn't it? Means, first of all, given question you can convert in standard form, and as per the standard form, you can write down the answer directly. Isn't it? Okay. Make a note. Second question is like this. Evaluate integration of x e raised to x divided by x plus 1 bracket square into dx. First of all, you can start in this way. Let I equal to integration of e raised to x divided by x plus 1 bracket square into dx. Convert this given question in our standard result. Our standard result is like this: e raised to x outside the bracket and in bracket function and derivative is there. Sum of the function and their derivative is there. Means you can write down for that purpose how to write this given quantity is sum of one of the function and their derivative. For that purpose, observe the denominator carefully. In denominator x plus 1 bracket square means x plus 1 is there. You make numerator x plus 1. For that purpose, add plus 1 and minus. Plus 1 minus 1, this is the adjustment. As per this adjustment, these two terms, first two terms take together and separate the denominator. What happens after separating the denominator? X plus 1 whole square minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square into dx. Okay. Again, you can know e raised to x into bracket. One of the factor is cancelled. In numerator and denominator. It means you will get 1 divided by x plus 1 plus minus 1 divided by x plus 1 bracket square into dx. Therefore, here f of x is nothing but 1 upon x plus 1 and f dash x is nothing but minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole bracket square. Okay, therefore our important result e raised to x into bracket f of x plus f dash x into dx is nothing but e raised to x f of x plus c. As per this result, you write your answer directly. Your answer is e raised to x into 1 upon x plus 1 plus c, and that is nothing but e raised to x divided by x plus 1 plus c is the final answer. Got it, students? Make a note. Okay, third question is like this. Evaluate integration of e raised to x into bracket 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. Observe the given question carefully and you can think how to convert the given question is our standard format. Start in this way. I equal integration of e raised to x into bracket 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. And think how to convert in our standard form. Okay, for that purpose you can apply some trigonometric result, that is nothing but half angle formulas. In numerator 1 keep as it is. What is the formula for sin x in terms of half angle, which is nothing but 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. And what about denominator? 1 plus cos x is nothing but 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. Then separate the denominator. Our question is like this: 1 upon 2 cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. Again you can note our standard format is like this: 1/2 1 upon cos square is nothing but sec square x by 2 plus, what can be in this case? 2 gets cancelled, one of the cos factor is cancelled, only remaining sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2, that is nothing but tan x by 2. Then I is nothing but integration of e raised to x into bracket addition commutative, that's why you can note tan x by 2 first plus sec square x by 2 and 1 upon 2 into dx. Here function f of x is nothing but tan x by 2 and f dash x is nothing but sec square x by 2 into derivative of x by 2 means half. Therefore, our important result, as per our important result, our answer is e raised to x tan x by 2 plus some constant of multiplication c is the final result. Final answer. Okay, got it? Then one more question is like this. Some different types of question is there. Our written question is like this: evaluate integration of log x divided by 1 plus log x 4 bracket square into dx. Observe the question carefully. First of all, observe the question carefully. In this question, e raised to x term is not present. Then what can I do? How to apply our important result in this case? For that purpose, use some substitution. Use some substitution. And the substitution are like this. Put log x is equal to t. Here base is not written. You can suppose base e because we are in calculus. In calculus, log to the base e is there. By definition of logarithm, log x is nothing but e raised to t. But differentiate both sides. Differentiate both sides. Derivative of x is 1, but with respect to x, that's why dx. Derivative of e raised to t is e raised to t, but with respect to t means dt. Okay, this is our substitution. This is simplified value. as per the substitution, and this is the derivative. Means our question I is nothing but, what is value of log x? Log x is nothing but t. What is value of dx? Dx is nothing but e raised to t dt. And what about denominator? 1 plus t whole bracket square. 1 plus log x means t bracket square. Okay. Then easily convert in our standard form, which is equal to e raised to t into bracket t divided by 1 plus t whole bracket square into dt, which is nothing but e raised to t is there. Use some adjustment, 1 plus t minus 1, and in denominator 1 plus t whole bracket square into dt. These two terms take together and separate the denominator. E raised to t 1 plus t divided by 1 plus t whole bracket square minus 1 divided by 1 plus t whole bracket square into dt. Cancel one of the factor. You will get e raised to t in bracket 1 upon 1 plus t, and written plus sign here, minus 1 divided by 1 plus t whole bracket square into dt. Means this is our function and this is derivative of that function. Means everything is present as per our important result. Therefore, by important result, your answer is e raised to t 1 upon 1 plus t plus some constant of relation c. This is the answer in terms of t, but our question is in terms of x variable. Therefore, answer must be in x variable. Resubstitute the value of t as well as e raised to t. What is the value of e raised to t? E raised to t is nothing but x. Means write x divided by 1 plus. What is the value of t? Log x. 1 plus log x plus some constant rotation c. This is the final answer for our question. Okay, this is important result depending upon derivation by part rule. Try to understand. Everybody understand this result. Do practice as much as possible. It is enough today. We stop here. Thank you guys.